Yeah. So, good evening to my all members, good members. So today we will discuss about the group project business accounting. So first of all, like we get the discussion first.
Okay.
First question is we have to prepare the statement. Meaning that we have to change the unadjusted in trial balance given, right?
Yes, yes. So the first one, we have debit or credit. Is it capital? Credit cash?
I think yes, is we need to debit the capital because um
Adam is his capital because
It
Adam made a
is
total cash. Adam made a
yes.
total cash.
because cash withdrawal
On
will
equity, right?
decrease the capital, right?
Yeah.
So it will
Yes, yes.
debit
Yes.
capital. Okay.
So for the second one,
So
it's a
second
debit
one,
what?
it
Debit
is
cash.
right from the
Debit
disposal.
cash. For the second one, we debit the cash and credit
Since
the
Ulven is
rent.
one of asset, and the
Credit.
account is delivery rent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes. So credit delivery rent. Yes.
Yes, credit delivery rent.
Delivery.
Delivery.
Bank lah. Ah.
Okay.
So for the third one, for the next, if
The third one is an
debit,
additional cash.
Was brought in. So it increased the cash.
okay, cash.
Yeah.
No,
Cash.
no. Wait.
And credit capital.
Yes, credit. Adam itself brought in the money. So
Oh, yes.
it
So credit capital.
yes, credit capital. Debit cash, credit capital.
For the fourth one,
Question number 4. Okay. Now.
Number
So land is asset.
Land is asset.
for debit
So
asset,
Debit asset. Yes.
we need to debit asset and
Sorry,
Credit cash.
cash.
don't write
Credit
asset.
cash.
Just write what account in the trial balance.
Oh, debit land.
Yes, debit land.
Because the asset
Because-
many at the trial balance.
so for the last one,
So the last one is okay, cash receipt.
So for the last one, total cash receipts and disbursement. I think because cash receipts is when we receive cash, so it will increase our cash. So debit cash and credit the revenue. I think lah.
Okay. Receive cash.
For me, I think for the cash receipt, we need to name the account cash receipt, and then cash receipt too need to be debit, and then For the credit part, we need to write it, but I'm not sure with my answer.
This quick account like 4 account. So
So
debit
have a
cash.
two.
Debit cash. Yes.
Debit cash. Bullet. Debit.
What's that? The disbursement ke?
Yes. I think-
Disbursement is we pay out the cash.
Payment,
So
yes.
debit.
So we credit the cash.
Debit. Debit cash.
So debit the
Revenue.
Debit cash.
Debit. Right.
Sekejap. Wait.
Debit cash
Credit
right.
cash. Right.
Credit cash. Debit asset or expense account. Right.
yes or expense. Because when
Yes,
we
Debit expense.
Debit expense, credit cash.
tapi itulah so many expenses account. So not sure lah for
Which
this
one have to?
question.
It's okay. We just write first.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 So we also sum the
Okay.
expenses.
There's some.
So the total expenses is like this. Total of
Oh, that's the total lah.
expenses.
$195. So the net income will be
Yeah. I think we'll appear. So the income will be guide 195.
yeah.
Income.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have the statement of owner equity.
Okay, sorry, I want to ask.
Giving adjustment no.
Oh,
Tak masuk kan. Rasa tak ada. Rasa IT, assessment, revenue, price, cash dan revenue expenses. So we must
how about the adjustment?
just so revenue we have a plus with the 350 350 revenue. So the expenses is the 25500.
Okay. Minus.
So just hope yes. So we need some adjustment here. So okay. sikit. Yeah. So we have a revenue, right? Or
Mm-hmm.
cash receipt. So
Hmm.
cash receipt, good. So cash receipt and the cash disbursement. Cash receipt and disbursement at here maybe. So the expenses. I look at so this basically
300.
31500.
Missing 3.
3.
Okay, 315, right? Zero
Yes.
zero. And for the disbursement, first one,
25.
2500.
5500.
215.
5.
Eh? 25 eh? 255. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. 25. 25530. So the total will display like right.
May I ask, the disbursement, that cash disbursement is put under the expenses because we debit the expenses before, right?
Yes.
And in the adjustment
Yes,
area.
yes. Yeah,
I
this is
see.
again.
Okay, okay, okay.
So your total is
We have to total the sales and cash receipts first, and
okay,
then
okay. Yeah, yeah.
we minus everything.
Total revenue.
One four four three.
Yeah. 144,355.
Yes.
So
Okay.
for the total of this is
Hmm.
so we copy paste minus for the total the net the total the net income is Eh, Ayo.
Just write down. Rewrite.
Is that
Yes.
so? Everyone agree with the answer?
Okay, for now, this is the answer.
No. Ah.
Depreciation.
Okay, so for this question, we need to
So
we need
that's to
just to explain the impact.
yeah.
So I think maybe the word impact means either the account is increasing or decreasing. So
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. So
what do you guys think that
I think
the term that we need to use for this question?
I think probably we can use the terms of overstated or understated.
yeah,
Um,
understated.
oh,
yes.
okay.
Yes. I agree.
And I want to go with overstated and understated.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, boleh boleh. So
First, A.
the depreciation to both office equipment and delivery van for a total of 35,000.
Yes.
So so
So for
if we look at the trial balance,
I think the
there are
differences
account
for A, I think
mm, it's mean by omitted. Omitted.
So how we need to explain this question? How we need to answer it?
Oh, okay. Okay, so this question asks we
so like
to
say,
explain what happened to what specific account if we do not um make the adjustment, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So for the first question, depreciation to both office equipment and the delivery van. If we not record the depreciation, what happened? Either like Tina said just now, we have to state like overstate or understate, right? So
Yeah. Can.
okay, viable.
Then payable.
Okay, so what happened to the salaries payable? It will to answer
Understated.
Understated.
okay, it will
In this case, so the next one is
Salaries. Expense.
release expense, right?
okay. The other one is the salaries.
Expense.
Expenses.
The salary expense.
So
Think about the So this ungraded.
Understated.
Understated.
Under tak?
Understated.
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 Under. Wait. Okay.
Okay, C. Available balance of office supplies.
Balance.
Available balance of
Office supplies. Supplies.
Means
So
Oh, it's so nice. Assets.
since it
expense.
mentioned it,
Yes, right.
Set. Yeah. Set.
Set.
Asset. Is supply.
Office supply.
Office.
Maybe
So what happened?
ungraded.
it will
Bill office.
Overstated.
Overstate.
overstated.
Overstated. Overstated.
Overstated.
and the other account is the supplies expense.
Supplies expense.
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 Will be
Understated.
understated.
For the
That one is liability.
The unearned revenue was realized.
liability.
Okay.
And the one
Liability must
Bal, can you add after asset you add the prepaid insurance? So we mentioned the account. We mentioned what the account of asset related to this question.
Prepaid.
Yes, prepaid
The-
insurance.
yeah. So for
F. Everyday.
billing prepaid invoice.
Invoice.
Invoice to client for total server. Benefit to savings.
So
Fail to send invoice.
the billing
invoice should be
Billing department. Fail.
asset. Is that asset?
We receive invoice when what?
When we buy, invoice is for the customer.
Yeah.
Right.
After purchase something, right?
Yes.
To purchase something.
So it's purchase account.
It's like receipt, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Receipt for the
Invoice is
customer.
receipt. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Receipt.
So the account related is
yes understated.
Apa? What? Asset.
Asset.
Purchase.
No, invoice.
the revenue.
Revenue.
For the invoice,
Revenue. Oh, yeah.
Revenue.
But
Bill.
this one
Understated.
I'm just considered.
the new understated.
Revenue understated.
For the asset, right?
sales and revenue account is the same, right?
Asset.
Revenue and sales is same, right?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
it's
Yeah.
In
Same.
our trial balance, it does not have the revenue account, but it have the sales account. So it says right. Okay, and then
Expenses. Okay. Asset, right?
The asset will be
Or
understated.
liability. Asset. Under.
so under
Understated.
the asset one is the account of receivable, account receivable.
Account receivable.
Asset receivable account.
Account receivable akan will be stated.
Understated.
Gone. Understated. Right.
Account receivable
Understated.
is when people already pay us but we do not make any task lagi kan,
Payment.
macam pieces. Betul?
Yes, yes.
Kan?
Yes.
Rental. Rental. Expenses. Rent is expense.
Apa tu? What's that?
Already 59 minutes.
Dah lagi.
Okay, so
So G is
account receivable is understated.
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 Income will be
And the net income will
Understated. Understated.
understated.
Understated.
Account receivable will be understated.
bagi G.
G. Word is
Okay, asset.
Revenue.
Revenue.
Revenue. Okay, incur.
Because it was not recorded yet. So
Revenue will be
Understated.
understated.
revenue will be understated.
And the account receivable will be overstated.
Understated also.
Yeah. Overstated.
Understated, right?
Understated.
Account receivable
Net income also
Understated.
understated.
So
And
income
the net income also understated.
overstated.
under to over.
Understated.
Understated.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Okay.
Income understated.
Okay, the last
And
one.
the last one.
Supplier invoice amounting
Invoice.
to misplace. Which
Will be
is
expenses.
correct. So invoice related.
Last
So
one,
Suppliers
expenses will be
SS.
understated.
S.
Revenue.
What?
Expenses understated.
to the supplies
Expenses understated.
payable. Account payable.
Then
Okay.
accounts payable understated.
Understand.
Understated.
So they got
But
the net.
Netcom will be
The
overstated.
net income will be
Netcom will be
overstated.
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 yang kita select. Yeah.
Iqbal,
Yes.
yang expenses tu specific to cost of merchandise sold because the name of the account is cost of merchandise sold.
Cost of merchandise.
Your assessing dice.
Is it correct? Right. Betul kan?
Supplier.
Okay, bikin dia salah.
Cost of
Okay.
merchandise.
Ni ikan over sikit. Yeah.
Yes.
Second cost of good.
Overstated.
We follow the name of account in trial balance and the so we need to choose uh, to improve and increase sales revenue. So what term can increase the sales revenue?
I think.
I think.
Do you guys have any idea what is about free on board shipping point and free on board destination? Uh,
Shipping point.
Okay, I just opened the textbook and it said that free on board destination is sellers pays the freight cost from the shipping point to the buyer's final destination. When the seller pays the delivery charges, the seller debits delivery expense or freight out. Delivery expense is reported on the seller's statement of profit or loss as a selling expense, which means if Adam use FOB destination, the sellers itself need to pay out the expense.
pay their cost.
Okay,
Okay.
and then the other one is the F, the FOB shipping point.
FOB shipping point.
B.
Ship.
Okay, if FOB shipping point
Buyer.
pula, the buyer pays the shipping cost. Just now, the FOB destination, the seller pays, and then the shipping point, the buyer itself.
So probably Adam should be choose FOB shipping point. What do you think? Because the buyer will be apa? Will be
Responsible.
obligate. Yeah.
Hmm. Because we need to increase our sales, right? So
Yep.
when we want to increase the sales, we need to minimize
Because we need
the
to increase
expenses.
our sales, right? So,
When we want to increase the sales, we need to minimize
because we need
the
to increase
expenses.
our sales, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So, do you guys agree? We choose
Yes, yes.
free on board shipping point.
I think shipping point.
Shipping point.
Shipping point.
So
Anyway,
FOB.
FOB shipping point in bracket.
Yes.
For me,
Maybe
shipping
we
point.
need to give a simple elaboration. FOB shipping point
Because
because
the buyer will be the buyer will be
we pay the freight cost, the shipping
pays
cost.
the cost,
The cost
the freight cost
Perfect.
from shipping point to final destination.
FOB shipping point because the buy-in pay freight cost. Shipping point to the final destinations.
Right.
I think we need to explain also about how it can improve the sales revenue, the credit management, how it can improve the account receivable,
Yes,
the
yes.
simple explanation. So maybe okay, for the expenses, for the sales revenue by shipping point, we can increase the sales because buyer uh, do not have to spend for the expenses for the shipping expense. So when we minimize the expense, the sales revenue also will be increased lah.
Decrease. Please decrease.
What? Increase
Decrease.
kan?
Decrease. Increase cost, eh?
Can increase. Typo.
Mm.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Is the revenue.
It can increase the sales or revenue because the buyer did not have to as to spend to spend for the
The
expense for the
seller.
shipping expense.
Seller buyer. The seller.
The seller buyer. Seller.
Sama.
Yes,
Ah,
seller. Seller. Increase the revenue because of service. So, okay. So it will minimize the expenses. Macam tu. So it will minimize the expenses.
Minimize the expenses.
Iqbal besarkan row dia je lah. Tarik ke bawah.
Ya.
Yang kat situ. I'm not
Clear.
I'm not clear. I'm not clear what you.
So
Like,
basically what you choose and
Shana.
Sharna?
like for credit management, so advice is he should be more strict on credit term he offer to the customers. Like if we have any doubts and the customer couldn't pay the customer's ability to pay, he shouldn't offer them the credit terms. He should so he could take this one step further and refuse to work with poor payers altogether. He shouldn't offer them credit term payment.
Okay. Dia macam ni tau. I think lah, the credit management and wait. Sekejap. Apa soalan tadi? Nampak. Credit management, improve accuracy information. Okay. So, the credit term that we have to choose, we have to explain how can it increase the sales, how can we improve the credit management. So I think, let's say we choose the prepaid term, the prepaid credit term. So if we choose the prepaid credit term, contohnya macam credit management, is it easier ataupun is it lagi susah daripada term-term yang lain? Benda-benda tu yang kita kena state dekat dalam answers ni. Contohnya mungkin lah, mungkin
Wait.
maybe
Do you guys know about the Adam business is about laundry, right?
yes.
It's about laundry. So I think Adam want to maintain the revenue and profit. So I think the credit term the switchable is about 2% discount and 30 days. Because
Why you
because prepaid, if you can, as you can see, because it very close to the COD tau. Like Shopee Express, like a Food Panda macam tu.
Cash on
It's not
delivery.
suitable for the laundry business.
okay?
If you realise lah.
Okay, I just see the Adam business is they sell goods kan? They sell spec detergents and fabric softeners, which means the physical goods, right? Yes, it's laundry, but it also sells this physical good related to laundry item gitu. And then it also have the service. Kan? Can you
It's
see
not
in the
laundry,
background
but it's-
part A?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
but
yes,
it's
yes.
trading. Okay.
Oh yes. Wait. Provided
Like
detergent
softener,
and
eh?
softener laundry service contractor.
Yang tu.
Okay. Wait.
Okay. So I think there are so many choice to us actually to choose, because each of this credit term can be lah, but we need to identify lah, we need to differentiate either which one is the best for credit management. For example, like maybe for prepaid insurance, prepaid insurance pula. For prepaid, bila orang bayar dulu, So that
Mm-hmm.
in terms of
Tidak.
what you say, in terms of credit management too, we already know that people already pay to us.
Pay.
So yes, people already pay to us. So uh, there's no there's no debt lah, tak ada debt
It's
lah
no
antara
argument. Yeah.
tak ada lah. Maksudnya dari segi nak manage credit punya apa tu dalam kita punya accounting ni, kiranya kita tahu kita akan dapat
Dapat duit
that
tu.
sales, that revenue because of that prepaid. Contohnya macam tu lah. I think we have to explain based on that features macam credit management, apa tu lagi satu tu, apa inventory, macam tu.
So all of we choose the prepaid. We all agree kan?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Dia okay je.
Yes.
So we have to
Okay.
we have to find the reason why we choose that.
It's okay. This is all about discussion.
Boring. Goreng.
Okay.
It is just said. It is giving you. Right.
Maybe
Finish.
we can explain like if selling goods tapi dia tak mention dia buat online lah kan.
Tak, dia buat servis dia macam menghantar. So related lah dengan COD.
Oh, can be lah juga kan.
Mm-mm. So finish.
Yeah.